We're back!
We're back.
Finally in the regular location.
Yes.
But on tonight's episode, we're going to have a ton of running footage.
Yes.
Thank you to Chris. So, UDR, some trailing stuff,
Yep.
some E-Revo stuff with Jaden and all the other gentlemen out on Sunday. So, let's get into it.
I could assume I had your Evo footage.
I know Jaden was there,
So.
and he had his E-Revo.
So.
Because he broke his...
Doesn't mean I have footage.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I do. What do you mean? don't assume.
No, I didn't assume. I talked to him and he said he got a whole bunch of footage of him running his
Actually,
truck.
I got one video yet.
Yeah.
Justin has a big old swear word in it, so.
Aw,
Justin's
son of
gonna
a
have
gun.
to bleep it out.
Yeah. So bloopity 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 bloop. Or we just like have no sound. Whatever. Okay. Well, let's get into it.
Personally, I don't mind the swear words.
Welcome.
Episode 98.
Ultra RC Hobby Show. He's Chris.
Aaron.
So, like we kind of said in the intro there, we're back in the regular location.
Yes.
So we kind of did a couple different episodes for 97 and 96. Hopefully everyone had a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and everything is going good and everything's looking up for 2020. So we're pretty excited.
Yeah.
Whole bunch of stuff coming for 2020, including the TRX-4 giveaway. So hopefully you've already gone over to our Facebook page and entered in to win that sweet truck.
Yeah.
That is like bad to the bone.
I'm gonna hide it so no one can get it.
Yeah, so we're kind of doing the finishing touches.
Yep.
So we'll do a huge unveiling on episode 99 to get people really pumped about it. We got a whole bunch of new stuff. So new wheels, new tires, and the body is all mounted and fitted. So it looks 12 out of 10.
Mint.
So thank you to Chris for putting that together.
Yes.
So, Mr. Deaver,
Yeah.
you have a week off of work,
Yep.
and I presume you've been running some RCs.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've been driving some trucks.
What have you been driving, my friend?
We took the TRX-4 out, trailing on the weekend, and I took the UDR out 2 days ago, and then today we went drifting.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, for people that don't know, that don't watch our live, or just not from Saskatoon, where do you guys go trailing?
We were down over by the end of Central Avenue, over along the river.
Oh, okay. So,
Yeah.
like, kind of by the dog park?
Kind of by the dog
Okay,
park. A little
fair
bit
enough.
further down from the dog park.
So, this is somewhere that we haven't really got a whole bunch of footage for?
No.
Like, on our lives and stuff?
No, and it's not like a heavily exciting area. It's just like lots of trails.
Ah, okay. Fair enough, fair enough. So, what do you want to show first? You want to do some trailing first?
Yeah, I'll show you guys some trailing footage. I have a lot of footage, so probably won't fit everything in this episode.
Yeah, but let's go trailing, folks. Well, thanks for taking us trailing, Chris.
Yeah, it was fun.
So we have some more footage for next week.
Yes.
Because obviously Chris has way too many. He showed me his phone before.
There's a lot of stuff there to go through.
Oh yeah, there's about 45, 50 clips.
Even UDR footage, I did like a quarter of the stuff I did into a video, and it's like an 8-minute video. So
Yeah, that's the hard part about getting footage. You get like little snips and tidbits
piles
everywhere.
up, man.
Yeah, and that's exactly it. So talking about the UDR,
Yeah.
I saw you guys were at River Landing
Yep. I smashed it.
playing Smash the UDR.
Yeah.
Well, I at least have a Max 8 here for you.
Yeah. Well, that's gonna be for the Max.
You put a Max 8 in the Max?
Combo. Yeah.
Very nice.
That'll be fun.
It'll wake it up.
We'll get the Max running in the next few weeks with the Traxxas Wide Max kit installed.
Yep. I'm excited to see
That's
that
gonna
actually.
be a deadly truck, folks.
The more and more you see about the Wide Max, it does make a huge difference,
Yep.
right? Like, it's 10 centimeters?
20.
20.
20 each.
20 each. Okay. So, 20 each side.
Sorry, 20 millimeters.
Okay.
2 centimeters a side. Not 20 centimeters.
There we go.
Or 10 centimeters.
There we go.
2 centimeters.
There we go.
20 millimeters. But still, 2 centimeters a side, man. That's...
I think it's going to be the difference between fitting through 8s and not
Yeah,
fitting
exactly,
through 8s,
yeah.
Right? So,
Or toppling over and not toppling over.
it's kind of frustrating that they didn't just give that stock.
Oh, well. You do.
You didn't send me this.
Were you
I guess at least you
complain
get
like 98% of the other people on the internet?
I guess at least you get a color option now.
Yeah, exactly. Traxxas released it in 5 different colors.
And they just released 2 more Maxes.
Yes.
Green and red.
Yep.
So, I mean, it's all coming together.
Oh, yeah.
All coming together. But let's just get back into it. UDR, River Landing, let's go. Well, Chris, thanks for taking us UDR.
Yeah, no problem. I smashed it.
Man,
I only broke a lower control arm, really, and bent a shock shaft.
I mean, it's cold. So, for anybody that's not kind of in the know on how cold Canada gets, and Saskatchewan in particular, today was minus like 38 or 39 with the wind chill.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's cold. Like, it's ridiculously cold.
And I launched it off a double set of stairs 4 times, and then the single set like 3 times, and then it broke
Isn't
eventually.
that the same footage that we got with your Revo?
Oh, and the UDR last year.
So what you're saying is we should maybe show clips of a clip of you Revoing.
You probably find those.
I gotta go look back.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've been here before.
Yeah,
Well,
the
Chris has been
UDR
here before.
has taken that tumble many times.
Yeah, and he has, well, I mean, really, we have beat the tar out of him
Yeah.
with jumping the race car, doing all of that stuff, landing pretty much dead flat on concrete repeatedly.
Oh, yeah.
And this is just not once or twice, this is about 15, 20 times, quite easy. So they're pretty tough, for sure. What else do we want to talk about? Do we want to throw in some drift car footage?
No.
Let's save it for tomorrow?
Save it for next week.
'Kay.
Give these folks all my footage in 1 week. You know how much I drive to do that? You know how much it cost me to get that footage?
Well, the way he drives a lot. Let's put it that way. So, I guess that's really the end of episode number 98. If you, like, again, if you haven't got in to enter for TRX-442, please go over to our Facebook page right now
Yes.
and go enter on that. The post is pinned to the top of the page, and we'll be giving that away on episode 100 of the Ultra RC Hobby Show.
That's 2 episodes away.
2 episodes away, 2 weeks. So, before we say goodbye, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
Don't forget to hit that bell to get notifications on when we drop new videos. Don't forget to follow him on all his social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.
Yes.
Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies.com. We'll be posting some drag car rollers up there in the next 3 weeks or so. So don't forget to check that out. And don't forget to check us out on all of our social media platforms, Ultra RC on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Chris and I really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.
Bye. I got nothing today.